What if I told you that the difference between financial freedom and constant money stress isn't just how much you earn, but the habit you formed over the years? In my decade-long journey through journalism and mass communication and media, I have uncovered 8 sneaky money habits that might be sabotaging your wealth right now. And number 6 will blow your mind.
Time to show me what you've got.
These aren't just minor missteps, they are the hidden traps keeping millions stuck in a cycle of paycheck to paycheck living. But here's the good news. Once you recognize this habit, you can break free easily. Over the past decade, I've immersed myself in the world of media and money through my journalism degree, mass communication qualification, and my media career. I've gained invaluable insights into personal finance, and today I'm sharing the most life-changing skills I've acquired.
That's amazing. That's amazing news.
How to recognize and break free from bad money habits. Let's explore 8 common financial pitfalls and how to overcome them easily. Number 1, paying yourself last. The first habit comes straight from Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Most people pay everyone else first, rent, bills, subscription, and save what's left, if anything. So the wealthy do the opposite. They pay themselves first. Here's how they flip the script. Immediately save at least 10% of your income when you get paid. Treat savings like a non-negotiable bill. Your mind will adapt, finding ways to make the remaining last. So don't worry about it. Remember, every time you buy something before saving, you're making others richer instead of yourself. Number 2, getting comfortable with bad debt. In today's world, debt has become normalized. But using debt for non-essential purchases is a recipe of financial disaster. And here's how to break this habit. If you can't afford to pay cash, don't buy it. Understand that credit card companies profit from poor financial decisions. And remember, the average 22% credit card interest rate cancels out any rewards or benefits in any way. Number 3, not knowing your income or expenses. You can't reach a destination without knowing your starting point. Here's how to gain clarity. Use a budget tracker to monitor income, savings, expenses, and debt repayment. Be aware of lifestyle inflation. Increase spending as income rises. So set clear financial goals and map out steps to achieve them. Number 4, expensive hobbies. Retail therapy and expensive hobbies can drain your wealth. Here's how to curb this habit. Be mindful of marketing tactics pushing you to spend at all times. Find fulfillment in activities that don't require constant spending. Remember, multi-billion dollars company profit from your impulse purchases, so you have to make sure you fix that. Number 5, focusing purely on saving. While saving is crucial, it has limits. To build real wealth, you need to focus on both saving more money and earning more money, all right? Explore ways to increase your income. Ask for a raise, start a side hustle, or invest. Remember, saving has a cap, but earning potential is infinite, so you have to make sure that you try as much as possible to earn more in any way possible. Number 6, paying too much in taxes. Taxes are inevitable, but you can legally minimize them. Here's how. Educate yourself on tax rules and legal ways to reduce your bill. Consider tax advantage accounts like ISAs or ROTH or IRAs, if possible. If you are self-employed, explore business structures with tax benefits. Use tax savings to support cases aligned with your values. Number 7. Now this is pretty interesting. Waiting too long to invest. Once you have your emergency fund, it's time to make your money work for you. Start investing as soon as you have an extra saving. Diversify your investment to weather different economic situations. Remember, money in a regular bank account loses value due to inflation. Number 8, making excuses not to invest. Now, this is really like, oh my God, why would you do that to yourself? There would always be reasons to delay investing, but procrastination is costly. So the earlier you start, the less you would need to invest for the same result. So find resources or advisors that resonate with your situation and investment style. You can start small if needed, but you need to start now. Breaking these 8 habits won't happen overnight, but awareness is the first step. By recognizing these patterns in your own life and taking action to change them, so you are setting yourself up for a wealthier, more secure future. Remember, financial freedom isn't just about how much you make, it's about the habits you cultivate along the way. So start today and watch your financial landscape transform. Thank you for joining me on this journey to financial empowerment. Which of these habits will you tackle first? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on wealth building. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.